Hello, students. So let's gonna cover today types. Okay. Um, why we need to cover types? Because remember, we were learning how to receive data as an integer, as a float, or as a string. That is the default behavior, right? So let's gonna cover today in deep. So let's gonna create a new project. Five new projects. We're gonna cover the type. So yes, let's see. Okay. So we know how to use the int, float, but I guess I don't show you, I show you how to use the printf, right? But I'm just gonna practice with the printf. Okay. It's gonna create a new Python file. See the book. Okay. Okay. So what happens if you have problem, right? Your name, right? And you have the variable name, correct? Now, you wanna print I, whatever is in the variable name. Okay. You run, comma, IOM. Okay. So what's happening if you ask, enter your first name? So let me put that. And I'm gonna ask now, enter your last name. Okay. And now I'm gonna print hi, Omar, right? Should be first name. This one should be last name. Two variables, right? I'm gonna bring hi, first name, comma, last name. Just gonna print, they're gonna run. Enter your name, Omar. Enter your last name, Toledo. Hi, Omar, Toledo. Right? Nothing new. But look at this. See these white spaces. I didn't code the white space, right? We can use the separation list that I told you at the beginning, but now that I teaching you strings, let's gonna use the print f to fix the output. Now you know that there is a white space, but you don't have a white space here. You're gonna notice that you need that when you also, for example, another variable, for example, balance. We're gonna see that, assuming that I have $5,800 in my account. Okay. I'm gonna print your balance is dollar and the variable balance, right? And now you're gonna notice this behavior about the white space. Enter your name, Omar, Toledo. Your balance is none. There is a white space there, right? What about if you use F? Okay. And now balance put inside the bracket. Okay. So when you use the printf, you don't need to use the comma to, well, there is a different way to format. When you use the printf, you don't need the comma. So you're going to put inside the quotation mark whatever you want to display. Okay, so I want to display this message. Your balance is, and I want to display the whatever we have in the variable balance. So you can use the curly braces and place the variable there. So see that the balance is, now see the dollar sign and then the variable balance there, and close the single quotation mark. You see the single quotation mark cover all the message, including the variables. Okay, so let me run that now. You're gonna notice the difference. See that? So just in case the printf help us to do this kind of things. Also, I need to talk about strings, because there is another way to print that. Print. Hi. Name. Plus. Plus. See what I'm doing here? I'm using the plus sign. So I adding variables. Let me show you what I'm doing now. Okay, I don't want to use this one. I don't want to use this one. Okay, let me run that. Enter your name, Omar. Last name, Toledo. Hi, Omar Toledo. Oh, no, wait a minute. Hi with a white space. Hi with a white space. Plus means concatenation. You're gonna join strings, text. First name, Omar. Then you notice a white space. Yes, the white space. And then last name. Oh, it means that, let me see that. Add more white spaces to visualize that much better. Omar, Toledo. Oh, perfect. So I can set the output as I want. See that? Okay. So let me try now with balance. Print. Your balance is right. Your balance is, okay. According to this rule, I need to use concatenation. and then balance, right? And see what is gonna happen. So oh, what's happening? Balance. What happened? Let me see the message. Can only concatenate str, string, not int. Oh, we talk about concatenation. I told you that we can use the plus to concatenate strings. Pay attention there. Concatenate strings. Balance is an string or is an integer? It's an integer in this case, right? It's a number. So this is why Python told you, hey, you are trying to concatenate an integer. Integer is not a string. Oh, okay. So concatenation with a plus sign only works with a string. Since balance is a variable that is holding an integer, we are not gonna be able to do that by default. But we can use str. And now what happened? Let me run that now. Oh, the balance is $sign now that work. So why that work now? Concatenation is for a string. Okay, beautiful. Okay, what I did. Remember int in front, when you use the input, we use int, right, to receive a number, or we use float to receive a number, right? Now, what we're doing here is convert balance just for the purpose of the output. We're converting balance in a string. So we can now use the concatenation. Got it? So I show you many ways to do that now. Using the printf, using just a comma, but you know that there is a little problem when you display that with the white spaces, but you can use the separation. Remember, separation and nothing. Remember the first week, okay? But do you know now how to use the printf? Okay, the variable has to be inside us curly braces. And you know now how to use concatenation with variables, even that the variables are for numbers. You just need to, you like us convert the numbers to strings. Let me see what else I need to cover here. Okay. For now, I guess we covered the introduction. Now, we need to cover now strings in deep. So this is the introduction. I want to stop recording. I want to record another video just for strings when we're going to see what is a string internally. Let me stop recording here.